What is your personality in this hearing?
Oh, no, sir. I just asked her to answer you.
No, I ask you, what is your personality in this hearing?
I don't have, sir. That's why I
So you
asked
don't
permission.
have. Let me remind you, attorney. If the chairman will not allow you to give advices to your clients, you cannot.
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
You understand, but you never tell us that you go.
I went
No,
to
in
the
this committee,
secretariat.
not in the secretariat.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, sir.
Kung nagdududa sa'yo, yung subject nyo, dapat hindi na-consummate yung bypass, nagkabarila na.
Sige, Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. RD, tsaka PD. May paraffin result ba? Nakunan ba ng paraffin result yung ano?
Sir, meron na po.
Mayroon. So, anong resulta ng paraffin result?
Negative po pareho, Your Honor.
Negative pareho. O di, ayun. Napakagaling mong bumaril, binaril ka. Perez ba? Perez. Pero nung lumabas yung paraffin result, paraffin test, negative. O saan ngayon ang pagpuputok ng biktima? O ito pa, sabi mo kanina 5 meters. 5 meters ha? 5 meters. Mr. Laresma, sino bang unang dumating, ikaw o yung kapatid mo sa lugar?
Una po yung kapatid ko po.
Okay. Pagdating na naunang kapatid mo, so pagdating mo, nandun na yung kapatid mo?
Opo.
Okay. Pagdating mo, nandun na ba yung mga pulis?
Halos sabay-sabay po kami. Dalawang kotse po sila eh. Parang kanina.
Halos sabay?
Opo.
Okay.
Sabay.
So si Perez kanina is claiming na may nangyaring bypass. Ano ba nakita mo? Nag-usap muna sila ni Perez o...
Wala po akong nakita po. Sabay-sabay po kami dumating. Tapos po, bigla po siyang bumaba ng kotse. Sabay binaril na po yung kapatid ko.
Kotse, di motor.
Hindi po. Wala po akong nakitang motor kundi po yung sa akin tsaka yung sa kapatid ko.
Oh, wala palang motor, kotse daw.
Dalawang kotse po sila.
Perez. Sabi mo kanina may motor ka. Perez, tinatanong kita.
Yes, Your
sir,
Honor.
excuse, Mr. Chairman, may I ask that lady at your back?
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor.
Yes, Congressman Paduano. What about that lady?
Good afternoon.
Sing.
Good afternoon, sir. Your Honor. Good afternoon, Chairperson, and to the members. I approached the Secretariat a while ago and introduced my name. I am Attorney Rotsy Laurino Bermejo, and I will tell them that I will be sitting at the back, sir. So I'm just asking Michi to answer you, sir, because apparently...
No, but you cannot coach. You know?
I didn't coach, sir. I didn't.
Oh, why you are telling them her to answer me?
I asked her to... please,
Now,
answer.
what is your personality in this hearing?
Oh, no, sir. I just asked her to answer you.
No, I ask you, what is your personality in this hearing?
I don't have, sir. That's why I asked
So you don't have?
permission. Yes, sir.
So you don't have business here?
I assist the San Juan Police Station.
Oh, you assist. You're the
Yes.
council.
Yeah, yes, sir. I assist.
Oh,
them
you should
today.
present yourself in this committee, not hiding at the back. Second, let me remind you, attorney, if the chairman will not allow you to give advices to your clients, you cannot.
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
You understand, but you never tell us that you go.
I went
No,
to
in
the
this committee,
secretariat.
not in the secretariat.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, sir.
Were you invited by this committee to be present on today's hearing?
No, sir. I was
Oh,
not.
why are you here? Who invited you over?
The San Juan Police Station, sir.
Who hired you to be a part of their team?
It was the police station of San Juan.
Police station, because the police station is being
sorry,
represented by the new chief of police,
Sir,
Hindi siya.
Sir Lingan and the rest.
So you were hired by Colonel Tay Layag To be his personal counsel.
Yes, sir. I was
But
requested,
you
Mr. Chair.
you did not inform the committee or the COMSEC about your presence on today's hearing.
I informed the secretariat a while ago, sir.
Who among us?
Over there.
Na-inform ba kayo?
I am so sorry, but I informed them a while
Ngayon lang.
ago.
Oh.
Ma'am, yes, sir, sorry.
Mr. Chairman.
Okay, but nevertheless, please, if you whisper or say something on those invited resource speakers, you ask the permission of the chair.
I advise.
Otherwise, in the next time, we will putting you outside of this committee hearing. Okay? Go ahead,
I
Congressman.
understand perfectly, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Attorney.
Oo, thank you, sir. Sorry.
Perez. O yun. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko.
Yes, sir.
O anong yes, sir?
May motor, sir.
May motor. Now you still stand na may motor.
Yes, sir.
Kanino motor yun?
Sa Alpa, sir.
Sa Alpa mo. And you will not tell this committee your Alpa.
Sir?
You will not tell this committee who is your Alpa. Tama?
Yes, sir. I can
Okay,
tell, sir.
pupunta natin yan sa next hearing. Kasi tatagal tayo dyan. Anyway, ganito. Sa statement mo kanina, sabi mo, na-consummate yung bypass. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes po.
Okay. So, nagbigayan.
Yes, sir.
Mark money, item. Tama? O ba't pinatukan mo yung subject?
Sir, mas nauna niya po akong pinutok.
Hindi nga, ang tanong nga, ba't puputukan ka ng subject? Na-consummate yung bypass eh. Kung nagdududa sa'yo, yung subject nyo, dapat hindi na-consummate yung bypass, nagkabarila na. Oh, di ba? And, alam mo, Perez, hindi ako investigador, si chairman na ako pa investigador, pero nakakaintindi rin ako konti sa investigasyon. Tsaka chairman, tingnan mo sinasabi niya kanina, mas mabuti sana sinabi mo na hindi na-consummate. Kasi kung na-consummate, walang reason na paputukan ka ng subject. Second, kung na-consummate yung bypass, hindi kayo magkalayo nun. At saka nagkaputukan. Kasi, paano makonsummate ang isang bagay kung 5 meters yung distance nyo? Magbibigayan ba kayo in 5 meters? O ilagay mo dyan, yung pera, ilagay ko dito yung items. Ganun ba? Hindi. In short, kung na-consummate yung transaction, kadikit mo yun. At the very least, yung distance nyo is only 1 meter. Not 5 meters. Oh. Anyway, Perez, sa mga pulis, alam nyo, hindi pa tayo tapos. No? In the next hearing, baka madagdag kayo dyan. Tsaka alam ni RD yung record ko As a private citizen, as a congressman, alam ni RD kung paano ko sumuporta sa pulis. Pag tama kayo, titindigan kayo dito sa Congress. Pero pag mali kayo, pasensyahan tayo dito. Sa ngayon pa lang, alam ko nagsisinungaling ka, Perez. And I have to ask again, yung mga kasamaan mo dyan, pati yung investigador nyo. Kasi 5 lang naman kayo, di ba? Nag-operate?
Yes,
Tama?
sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Chairman, I will reserve my question.
Yes,
on the
okay.
next hearing.
Thank you so much,
Chairman.
Congressman Paduano. And let this be a reminder to all our members of the organization. Medyo mabigat po itong ating mga kinalalagyan. Nakakaawa po yung mga matitinong mga pulis na dadamay po sila. But we have to do this. We have to do this to cleanse the structure of our PNP. Last na tanong ko na to bago tapusin. Kasi kanina nalaman natin 7 PM lang dumating yung yung PIDEA report. Tapos 6:45 nag-operate na kayo. No firearm, na nakalagay sa initial report yung 38 caliber, wala. Tapos no coordination with the Chaong Police Station. So, have you done this on your own? Ano na lang, I know Colonel, wala ka doon, no? Chief, wala ka doon, no? Wala ka sa area, di ba?
After the operation po ako dumating, sir.
Saka ka dumating. Si si Makaraig, may nag-utos ba sa inyo para patayin yung taong yun?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. Talagang hindi nyo sinet up to?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Sige, magkikita tayo sa susunod na hearing. Ano? Unfortunately, we have to wrap up with this hearing, and we will be